Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have Business Manager access and the correct ad account ID so you don't get locked out. Once logged into Facebook, use the account tied to your business. This ensures billing and permissions line up. Next, click the 9-dot menu and select Ads Manager or type Business. Facebook.com/its manager into your address bar. Doing this puts you directly in the tool so you can avoid profile confusion and proceed to create, edit, or monitor campaigns immediately. Once inside Ads Manager, choose a campaign objective that matches your goal because Facebook optimizes delivery differently for each objective. Then define your target audience, location, age, interests, and any custom or lookalike audiences so your ad reaches the right people. Make sure to set budget and schedule, selecting daily versus lifetime spend, and a bidding strategy that fits your ROI expectations. These middle steps are detailed because small changes here affect delivery, cost per result, and overall performance. Now you build the ad, upload creative image or video, write concise headlines, and choose a clear call to action because creative quality drives engagement. Once done, review placements and preview how ads appear on mobile and desktop to catch formatting issues. When everything looks right, confirm and publish. Facebook will start delivering based on your settings. If results look off, troubleshoot by checking audience size, budget pacing, and ad relevance score. Pause the ad, edit the asset or targeting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.